Big Bird, this is Bravo 6. We have the package. Meet us at LZ1. Over.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Dave. I'm back again. I'm under the weather. I'm just trying to get over my cold. I've had it since last Tuesday, and I'm just trying to survive. I picked up the new Call of Duty late last night, 9 o'clock, at GameStop here in my own town of New Milford, Connecticut. Spent $100 and change for this Precision Edition. I'll open it up. I'll show you what it comes with and stuff like that, and hopefully you'll enjoy. Right now I'm actually updating the game itself because I bought a physical edition so I could do an unboxing, and I actually bought the digital edition as well through the PlayStation Network because I'm actually having fun with these unboxings and stuff like that. I paid off my Death Stranding limited edition, which was I think $200 something odd, because it comes with like a life-size baby or something like that. I don't know, but I cannot wait to get my hands on that and cannot wait to actually try that game. So hopefully you can hear me. If you can't, I do apologize. I'm under the weather. I'm sick, and I'm just trying to survive. So if you guys don't mind, I'll start, and hopefully you'll enjoy. I got my trusty scissors right here. Open this up. If you hear music in the background, I started the game and it went directly to application update. So if you hear a little background music, that's from the PlayStation 4, the game itself. It's a copying update file, version 1.04. Right now I'm at 82%. So this is what I get with the Precision. Last night I saw a couple of guys walk out with the limited edition with the night vision goggles. They had 2 boxes, so they spent a good amount of money on that. So this is pretty much it. Hopefully you can see that. I'll just read it off anyway. Like again, excuse me. You got the Controller Freak Precision Edition Performance Thumbsticks. You got a Controller Freak Precision Edition controller skin, a custom in-game tactical knife, Call of Duty endowment, calling card, which is kind of rad, I guess. And what I'm interested in is the collectible Steelbook. I do enjoy the Steelbooks, actually. But since I went all digital, I brought all mine back and traded them in for cash so I could buy car parts from my when I used to have a Mazda Speed 3. And right now I'm trying to build my 2011 Mitsubishi Evo GSL right now. But you also get an operator pack, 3 themed operator packs, and additional bonus items. So it looks like you get, let's see, I don't know if you can see that. The Crew Expendable pack, All Gillied Up pack, and War Pig pack. So it's a sniper rifle, a handgun, and a shotgun. And this is it, man. I wish I knew a mom and pop store that would be willing to sell games ahead of retail schedule, ahead of time, actually, because I would love to have played this. I went to bed after I got home with this. I didn't have a chance to even play the digital download that I got. So let's start. This is nice. That's some badass night vision goggles if I ever got that limited edition one. My friend Dante, who owns an Evo as well, he got it, and he said the night vision goggles actually work. So if all you people who are into UFOs and aliens, see if you can go out at night and see if you can see anything flying around with those night vision goggles. That's a badass picture. This is the back, and this is the front. Oh, these are the stickers that you place onto your controller. If for all those who remember the Nintendo Power back in the day and used to rock the original NES like I did growing up, I'm 36, so I remember Nintendo Power used to send out controller stickers as well to be placed over the regular Nintendo controller. And that was kind of cool back in the day because it had like all rad colors to it. It had different types of styles and stuff like that. The 80s were very loud with colors and stuff like that. Think of Saved by the Bell's intro video. That's what one of the Nintendo's controller skins was like. That's what it reminds me of. But this is the controller skins that go on your PS4. I'm not going to open them up. I'm sure you could always Google them, or I'll just throw a picture in if I find something online. This is the calling card. Game code. By the time I upload this, the codes are going to be used anyway, so you're more than welcome to try it anyway. It's up to you. But I promise you they will be used. Here's the operation pack. It's going to be neat. I do enjoy using the knife in the melee weapons in Blackout, especially in Alcatraz, and I love the knife. The knife is fun. It's fun as hell. The back. The front. And just useless BS that I honestly think nobody even reads. Or, you know, you could use it as toilet paper if you like. Alright. This is the inside of the Steelbook. It's a picture of a guy using the night vision goggles. I do apologize about the glare. And I apologize to anyone who could see my reflection. I'll turn you into stone, I guess. And these are the Controller Freak thumbsticks that you just pop onto the the sticks on the PS4 controller. And apparently they help, they work. I got a pair of Black Ops 4 actually on the ground in the corner right underneath the AC unit. I used to use them a lot, but I got tired of them. But this is what it looks like. That's it. Nothing else. The box felt wicked light when I got this. I was actually like wondering if there was actually a game inside because it was lighter than normal. My update file just updated and showing Infinity Ward on the screen. Yeah, Infinity World. So that's good to go. I'll close up shop right now.
Bravo 6. Going dark.